It's been a subdued trading session, but if you look at the way how our benchmark indices have moved from the negative territory, right now they are in the positive territory. You have Nifty that is testing 14,600 levels. You have Sensex that is above 49,550 levels. Apart from the benchmark indices, it's the IT index that's seen a sharp movement through the course of the day. It started in the negative territory with Infosys and Wipro both reacting to their earnings, but both of these counters were down in trade. Apart from Infosys and Wipro, you saw the rest of the other IT pack also seeing some profit booking. But right now you see the IT index has recovered in trade, is in the positive territory. You have Wipro that is has recovered from the losses. It was down about 4% in trade, is now in the positive territory. Infosys also is trying to nudge the positive territory. So that is for the IT sector for you. But which are the stocks that are which are the other stocks that are moving in trade? First up, I'll talk about SAIL. That particular counter has fallen most in over 8 months to its lowest levels since December 30th. The PSU Steel Company informed exchanges on Wednesday that the government will be selling up to 10% stake in the company, including an oversubscription option at a floor price of about 64 rupees per share. If you look at the share price compared to yesterday's closing price, it translates to a 14.3% discount. The stock is down for a second straight session and has lost about 13% in the last 5 trading sessions. Next, you have HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The stock is surging over 10% in trade today. That is most in about 5 months. Cabinet approved procuring 83 light combat aircraft from the company at a cost of 45,696 crore rupees. Government also said about 500 Indian companies in the design and manufacturing sectors will be working with HAL in this procurement. The stock has surged to its highest level since August and is up for a second straight session. Next, I'll talk about CESC. That particular counter has hit its highest level in 11 months. The company reported its Q3 earnings yesterday as well as declared an interim dividend. The company reported a 21.3% jump in its profits on a year-on-year basis and a jump of about 8.3% in revenues on a year-on-year basis. They also declared an interim dividend of about 45 rupees per share. The stock is up for a 6th straight session. Next up is JK Tires and Industries. That particular counter is gaining in trade today, most in about 12 weeks. The company's arm, that is Cavendish Industries, has posted a 30% year-on-year rise in their revenue from operations. It's coming at around 788 crore rupees, and this is due to increased sales of tires used in trucks, light commercial vehicles, as well as agricultural vehicles. The stock is at its highest level since April 2019 and is up for a 6th straight session. So these are the stocks that are buzzing in trade today.